Hi, Anna. Hi, Yuvan. Hi, Badriyam. Everyone is ready? Yeah. Did you share the homework yesterday, students? Give me a thumbs up if you shared. Arban Kian has shared the homework. What about other? Yuvan, you have shared? Did you share the homework? Anam, my dear? Why you have not shared? See, homework, see, whenever we are taking classes, no? So when teachers ask you to do something, that is, we have to do. Okay, so make it compulsory from today onwards. Okay, because that makes fun, that is very exciting, you know. Yeah. So shall we begin our class? Everyone, please open your videos. On the countdown of 5, I will start my class. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So first we will do one warm-up activity, then we will start our class. Okay. Now put your hands up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Come on, Diana. Rudra. Musfira, come on. Up. Down. Now roll your hands. Slowly. Slowly roll your hands. Roll your hands. Fast, 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 fast. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast, 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 fast. That's great. Very good. Now, so shall we read the word, students, today? Yeah. So today also we will use the same strategy to read the words phonetically. Okay. So the first word. Wait. The first word. You know how to read? Come on, for do this strategy. Strategy 10 times, students. Beginning, middle, end. Beginning, middle, end. Come on, everyone. Come on. Start doing this activity. Beginning, 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 middle, middle, end, end, end. Beginning, beginning, middle, middle, end, end. Okay. So let me share the screen first with you. Can you see my screen? Mahit, Sarvisha? Give me a thumbs up if you see me. Sumaya, can you see my screen? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but I have a request, students. Yeah, first I have to do this. Yeah. So when I'm explaining something on the screen, no, don't write anything on the screen. And just now you wrote something, no need. So how you have to sit when I'm explaining? Sit up straight. Everyone, sit up straight. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Okay, no need to touch phone or laptop. Okay, everyone ready? Yeah, that's great. Very good. You people are very. Yeah. So first I will write the word, students. Okay, you have to read that word phonetically. Okay, so look at my screen. Ambeda, just now I said no need to write anything on the screen. Now, sat. So how to read sat, students? Come on, follow this strategy and tell me how to read. S sound is s, s, t, s, t. Sat. Sat. Combine all this letter, blend those letters. Come on, everyone. S, t. Sat. Sat. Come on. T. Sat. Sat. Okay, now next word is t. What it is? Which letter sound? F letter sound. Very good. T. Fat. Fat. Okay, so what I will do is I will ask each and everyone, you have to answer me. Okay, so first we will start with Sinidhi. Okay, so everyone fold your hands, sit up straight. Sinidhi, unmute. Now Sinidhi, the letters I am telling, okay, read those letters phonetically and answer me. Okay, H-A-T.
Hat.
Very good. Everyone, please clap for her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that's great. Now, next is Sumaya. Now, Sumaya, you have to read S-A-T.
So, sad. Sad.
Very good. Clap for Sumaya, everyone. Now, Shaista, you have to read S-A-D. D.
Okay.
Come on, Shaista. Okay, let's pass this question to Diana. Diana, listen to my word, then you have to pronounce this phonetically, okay? Letters I will tell, you have to pronounce the sound. S-A-D. S sound is Diana?
S down, S sound. S, Juru. A, wait, sad.
Very good. See everyone, whenever I tell a word to you, know letters, you have to show me the strategy, okay? And you have to tell.
And fun. And sad. Okay.
Very good. Okay, now next is Mahir.
माहिर उठो एक मिनट थोड़ी बोल के सो जाओ माहिर उठिए
Mahir, come on.
माहिर गेट अप
Now you have to tell C-A-T.
माहिर
Okay, let's pass this question to Charvisha. Charvisha, come on, tell me C-A-T.
सी साउंड ఏంటి सी साउंड सी साउंड सी साउंड सी साउंड క
See, Charvisha, C-A-T. Okay, so C is K. K. A is A. A. T is T. T. So you have to read K, A, T. Cat. Cat. Okay? Come on, Charvisha, unmute and read.
Cat. Chipu. Ka.
Ka.
Pa. Ta. Cat. చూపించేప్పుడు Ka.
Very good. Clap for her, everyone. Now next is Kian. Now Kian, look at me. M A T. Sound. You have to resound. Ma.
Mat. Mat.
For him, everyone. Very good. See, the letter I am telling, no, you have to read it phonetically. You have, when you are using this bending technique, no, so you have to read sound, not the letter. Okay? Yeah. Thank you, Kian. Now next is Arban. Arban, you have to read B-A-D.
Bad word. Bolo.
No, D sound is, look at me, Arban, look at me. B, ba. Okay. A, A. T, ta. Now read together. Ba, a,
Bad.
ta.
Bad.
Very good. Ba, a, ta. Bad.
Bolo, bolo.
Very good. Very good. Now next. Next is Mehreen. Mehreen, you have to read P-A-T.
P-A-T. P sound.
Very good. A
Next.
sound. Very
Right.
good. T sound. Now read together.
Pa.
Parrot.
Pa.
Pat.
Pat. Very good. Pa, a, ta. Pat. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, my pleasure. Now next is Anam Firdaus. Anam, you have to read R-A-T.
Awesome.
R-O-T. Very good. Now, thank you. Next is Badriam. Come on, Badriam. Now you have to read H-A-T.
Ha.
Okay.
H-A-T. Hat.
No,
H?
Badriam, you have
Ha.
to read like this. See, look at me.
Look at me.
Ha. A. T. Hat. Hat. Ha. A. T. Hat. Okay? Yeah, very good. Now, next is Yuvan. Now, Yuvan, you wait. Unmute again, dear. Not able to? Now do. Now, Yuvan, you have to read V-A-T.
V-A-T. Ivan.
T-T. T.
చెప్పకపోతే టీచర్ బ్యాడ్ నువ్వు నొక్కది కానీ చెప్ప టీచర్ చెప్పింది వి
V sound is Yuvan.
వా
Very good. A sound is? T sound is? vat. VAT. vat.
వి వా మళ్ళీ ప్రాసెస్ చెప్పు వి వా చెప్పు
Viva.
ఏ ఆ టి టా
Tita.
vat.
వాట్
మరి రావట్లేదు.
చెప్పు టీచర్ చెప్పి
Okay.
రావట్లేదు అంటే
వస్తుంది
Okay, Yuvan, now look at me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Very good boy. Now, Kaustaf, it's your turn. Now, Kaustaf, unmute and read FAT.
Say SAT.
SAT.
F sound is
Yes. Us.
A sound is T sound is T. T. Fat.
Parrot.
Fat, not parrot.
Fat. FAT. Fat.
T.
Fat.
Fat.
Fat. FAT. Fat. Say once
FAT.
again.
Fat.
Very good, very good. Now, next is Rudra. Pre-nursery students, you just have to tell me the phonic sound of the letters I'm telling. Okay, no need to blend, use this technique. Yeah. So, Rudra, please unmute. Okay, no one is beside you. Let's pass this question to Rumesa. No, your mom is there. Okay. Ma'am, please unmute now. Yeah. Rudra, now you have to tell the R sound. Only R sound to me.
आरती साउंड बताओ.
Very good. Everyone, please clap for him. Very good, Rudra. Very good. Now, Rumesa, please unmute. Okay, no one is beside you. Let's pass this question. Yeah, your mom is there, no? No? Okay, I will ask you after a few minutes, okay? Now, next is Nihal.
Silent.
Now, Nihal, you are in which class, dear?
I am fourth.
LKG, I think.
LKG, okay.
Yeah.
So, Nihal, you have to tell me the phonic sound of the letter I am telling, okay? Now, you have to tell the sound of N.
Sound. Sound
N sound is?
N. ఎలా అనాలి N.
Very good. No. Very good, Nihal. Yeah, thank you. Now, next to Adya. Now, Adya, you have to tell me the sound of G. No, J is found J. G is? I showed you this one.
Gun.
G. G. G sound is G. Okay. Now repeat with me, Adya. G.
तेज से बोलो.
Very good. Very good. Thank you.
वेलकम बोलो.
Welcome.
Yeah. Now next is Madiha Salim. Myra, you have written Myra. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam, Myra. Now, Myra, you have to tell me the sound word, phonic sound of SAT. S-A-T.
S का sound.
SAT.
Sad.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good, Myra. But Myra, when you are attending the class, no, you have to sit up straight, fold your hands, and your eyes should be on the screen. Okay?
Yes.
Very good, girl. Thank you. Now next is Naman. Now Naman, you have to tell me the sound of J. Very good, Naman. Please clap for yourself. Everyone clap for Naman. Very good, very good. Thank you. Rumesa, someone came beside you, dear. Please unmute. Where you went? Yeah. Not able to do? Okay. Let's pass this question to Qanan Aslam. Yeah. Now you have to read the phonic sound of M-A-T.
Bag.
Very good. Everyone, please clap for Qanan. Very good, dear. Very good. Thank you. Now next is Rishika Agarwal. Now Rishika, you have to read the sound of hat. H.
Hat.
Everyone, please clap for her. Yeah. Now next is M Veda. M Veda. No one is beside you. Okay, let's pass this question to Umar. Umar, come on, unmute. Yeah, look at me and tell. If you are wishing me means you should look at me, no? Yeah. So, Umar, you have to tell me the sound of J.
What नाम पूछे?
J sound.
ज सीधा हाथ दिखाए ज्यादा कोई बजट नहीं हो ज
Very good, very good. But I won't clap for you for much time because you are not looking at me. You have to look at me and tell.
इसको देखने दे
Okay, let's ask this question to Myra Fatima.
One minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Myra, you have to tell me the phonic sound of fat. F-A-T.
Fatty pat.
Fat.
Fat.
Huh. Now do this technique and tell me the sound.
Fata.
Look at me, Myra. Only fat. Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now next is Iza Sheikh. Iza, you have to tell me the phonic sound of A. Your name starts with A, no?
Yes, teacher. Bolo yes.
Come on. What happened? Why are you crying? Look at me and tell.
Bolo O. यहाँ देखिए teacher. O.
Very good, very good. Everyone, please clap for Iza.
Clap करो. teacher clap कर रही है. Clap करो.
Now we will do one strategy. We will come on everyone. Let's do energizer. Stand on your place. Iza, come on dear. Stand on your place. Now, when I say once, you have to jump only one time. Okay. When I say twice, you have to jump how many times? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Yeah. Now, once, twice, once, Twice. Jump. Come on, everyone. Jump. 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 Now go outside of the camera. See, when I say outside like this, inside means, yeah, very good, very good. So outside, inside. Come on, come Alak. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. Now close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close. Open. Close. Open. Yeah, very good, very good. Now please sit down, everyone. Fold your hands and sit up straight. Yeah, very good. Now our next is Mayukha. Mayukha, now you have to pronounce B-A-T.
Bat. B. A. T. Chupu. B. A. T.
Bat. No, ball no, only bat.
Only bat.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Mayukha. Now next is Zoya Z. Now you are in which class, Zoya?
My name is Muhammad Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. What is you are in which class, dear?
Lower KG.
Lower KG.
Okay, so you have to tell me only the sound of letter I am telling. Okay, the sound of H.
Yeah.
H की sound बोलो.
Ha, ha. Very good, Ibrahim. Everyone, please clap for him. Yeah, thank you, Ibrahim. Now next is Sheikh Mubin. Sheikh Mubin, please unmute. Now you have to tell me the phonic sound of M. M sound.
M sound. M sound.
M sound is
M sound.
Ma.
Ma.
Ma. Very good, very good. Everyone, please clap for Sheikh Mubin. Yeah, very good. Now next is Magati. Now Magati, you have to tell me the phonic sound of cat. C-A-T.
Cat Marie. Cat. 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 Cat.
Very good. Everyone, please clap for her.
Thank you.
Very good, dear. Now, next is, please, Magati, mute yourself here. Aban. Your name is Aban only, no? Yeah. Now, Aban, you have to tell me the sound of bat. B-A-T.
B-A-T. Bat.
Huh, now phonic sound.
P. T.
Yeah. B. Bat.
Bat.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Avan. Now next is Viona. Now Viona, you have to tell the spelling of VAT. V-A-T.
Vat.
V.
V sound, only sound.
Sound.
V.
A.
T.
Ma'am को देख. See, look at ma'am.
T.
V-A-T.
हाँ, ऐसे.
Together?
T. Thank you, ma'am.
VAT. Very
VAT.
good, very good.
भूल गए ना थोड़ा सा. T. ऐसे like that, no?
Yeah. Now next is Musfira. Musfira, you have, come on, sit up straight, dear. First, sit up straight. Yeah. Now, Musfira, you have to tell me the sound of K. K sound.
ये साउंड क्या है जल्दी बताओ.
K. K
दो
sound
से
is
के
K. 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 Repeat with me.
Muspira, don't be a bad girl. Repeat after ma'am.
Come on, Musfira, you are a good girl, no? Okay, let's pass this question to Lakshmi Durga Prasad. Pasu Puliti. Okay. Please unmute, dear. Not able to. Now try, Lakshmi. Yeah, ma'am, I'm coming. S. Kaushik, I'm coming, dear. Okay, I think ma'am is not able to do. So let's pass this question to S. Kaushik only. Come on, S. Kaushik, unmute. Now you have to tell the phonic sound of rat. R-A-T.
Rat.
అలా చెప్పాలి మూడిటికి చెప్పాలి ఫస్ట్ రా
Ra.
చెప్పు
Ra.
Not ra only. O. Rat.
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 Yeah, very good. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Now, Yashvi. Lakshmi, come on, try to do now, dear. Lakshmi Durga. Okay, now, very good. So now, like this only, students, you have to read the word phonetically. Everyone is done, no? Anyone is left? Rumesa, yeah, Rumesa, come on now, try here. Try to unmute. Yeah, done. Very good. Now, Rumesa, you have to tell the phonic sound of L. 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 Very good. Everyone, please clap for Rumesa. Very good. Thank you. Sri Kruti. Please unmute, dear. Wait, where are you? Just raise your hand. Yeah, here. Unmute.
Yeah.
Now, Sri Kruti, you have to tell the phonic sound of T. Very good. J.
What, ma'am?
J.
J.
Very good. Everyone, please clap for Sri Kruti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Now, next is Sayyada Zoha. Zoha, please raise your hand. Yeah, please Zoha unmute. Now you have to tell the phonic sound of R. 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 Not Ra. R.
Ra.
R. R.
Ra.
R. Very good. Now next letter is Q.
Rainbow.
Q sound. Unmute and tell me Q sound, Zoya. Q.
Cook.
Quack.
Cook.
Quack. Quack.
Quack.
Very good. Very good. Now Yashvi, please unmute. Now Yashvi, you have to tell the sound of S.
Sound of S.
Very good. Very good. Pragati, are you there? Okay. So now students, what is your homework is, again you have to do the same homework. Alakjan, Akamjan, I didn't ask you because you are in pre-nursery, no? So people are learning standing and sleeping line. That's why I didn't ask you. Okay. Yeah. So now everyone, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Very good. Very good. Now you have to record 5 words of 80 family only. Okay. Use this blending technique and send a video in the WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone. Sure, you people will send today homework. Give me a thumbs up if you share, means. You will share, no? Yeah, very good. Very good. Now, parents, here I am sending one link. So those who are absent yesterday, no, who didn't attend the class. So if they want to fill this Google form again, they just have to click on this link. A form will be opened for you. If you want your child to get participated in phonic class or crash course class, then please fill this form. Who already filled, no need to fill again, ma'am. Who have not filled yet, please kindly fill this form. If you want your child to get participated in phonic class or else crash course class, then only you have to fill. As from the next month, we are going to start the phonic class. And I'm waiting for your queries. If you have any queries, please write in the chat box so that I will help you. Adya's parent, ma'am, you better speak to like Blue Flamingo team admin. She will get back to you, ma'am. In your respective group only, ma'am. Romesa's parent, you are added in group, no? Blue Flamingo group. In that group only, you have to send this video. As Kaushik, I don't know about fees, ma'am. If you want, you just fill that form. They will call you and they will explain you everything. Ma'am, Diana is in which group, ma'am? In that group only, you have to send this video. Alakjan, Akamjan, phonic class, I don't think this is for you because you people are so small. But better to ask in your Blue Flamingo group only that Akam and Alak is eligible for that phonic class or not. Adyas, what is your doubt, ma'am? Please unmute and tell me. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to start phonics class in February.
February means see, phonic class is for 3 months, no? So
Yes.
if you come in February, means that is the middle part.
Because
So
ma'am,
Adya will don't know about what is the beginning part.
because मेरा खुद का एग्जाम है तो 2
अच्छा,
क्लासेस
okay.
अरेंज करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Okay. Okay,
So
ma'am.
why-
We will try. Because you will
Okay.
get the videos of first week, no, man. First month, you will get the videos. So you just show those videos to Adya. Then we will continue with her from second month.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Conan, your homework is here. Today we read 80 letter words, no? At family words. You have to make a video of at family. You have to read 5 words like hat, mat, fat, cat, sat. Suppose. Okay. So you don't have to read like this fat, hat, mat, cat, lad. You have to read it phonetically. Like t, fat. T, sat. T, hat. Okay, like this, you have to read those 5 words, make a video and send in the Blue Flamingo group. Okay? Yeah. Bye, Yuvan. If no doubt and no queries means I will end this class here only. If you have doubt means like this, sorry, like this. If you don't have means like this. अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन है like this, अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है like this. Okay, most of the students are showing me thumbs down. That means, shall I end this class? Yeah. So take care of your health, students. Stay home and be safe. Okay. Bye and eat healthy food. Yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Take care of your health.